best drone for action sports. Hello everyone, hope you guys are fine and doing well. Here I'm back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to share a list of the best drones for action sports, and I'm sure you will like this list. So, without any delay, let's start with today's list. And yes, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then go for it right now, and also do like, share, and comment on this video. Number 1. DJI Mavic Air 2 Drone. Here we have one of the best and most exceptional drones that you can use for extreme action sports. It is best to cover all the sports events by taking pictures or making videos. For almost less than $1,000, the DJI Mavic Air 2 bundle combines ease of flight with lengthy battery existence and a digital digicam which could shoot 4K video. We suggest purchasing the Fly More combo option, which amongst various things consists of 3 rechargeable drone batteries. The Mavic Air 2 can experience and keep away from barriers coming near from the front, back, and below. In addition to gradually maintaining its position, even in mild winds, DJI says it is secure to fly and finishes up to 23.6 mph. So you may give attention to your cinematography rather than getting scared regarding maintaining the drone steady. This version additionally functions DJI Smart Flight modes together with Active Track, which directs the drone to autonomously observe and move a topic whilst additionally warding off boundaries. Its 34-minute battery existence shows you do not need to land for a battery change as frequently as you will with the competition. And the Mavic Air 2 can go along with you nearly anywhere. At 7 through 3.8 by 3.3 inches folded and 1.3 pounds, it suits exceedingly nicely in our pinnacle choice for drone backpacks. So, this is all about this option. Now let's move towards the next slot and see what we have at this next option. Number 2. DJI Mavic 3 Drone. Here we have another best and high-quality drone you can use for action sports events in any way. The DJI Mavic 3 takes among the Mavic Air 2's exceptional functions and, for 212 instances the price, tacks on an advanced 4.3 photo sensor and Hasselblad branded digital digicam. DJI offered a majority stake inside the camera manufacturer. This version captures 20 megapixel pictures and 5.1K movies that appear extra colorful than the ones of the competition. It additionally is a 46-minute battery existence, the longest of any drone we have got tested. The Mavic 3 can also experience boundaries coming from maximum instructions and regulate to keep away from them, facilitating extremely more secure flying. In flight, the Mavic 3 makes use of sensors to discover barriers at as much as 656 feet away coming near from its sides, and sure flight modes front, back, bottom, and top. It also can regulate its flight direction to keep away from a collision. The Mavic Air 2 does now no longer consist of impediment sensing on its sides or top, and it does now no longer have the modern model of a PAS, that is DJI Sensing and Impediment Avoidance System. During our testing, the Mavic 3 stopped quickly while we attempted to fly it at a tree, and it flew around a tree that turned into blocking off its direction while we directed it to autonomously go back to its release point. It beeped loudly to warn us each time we flew near an impediment, such as exceptional tree branches, and it routinely slowed its descent whilst touchdown in order that it lightly sat down at the floor each time. So, this is all about this option. Now let's have a look at the next slot and see what we have at our next slot. Number 3. DJI FPV Drone. Here we have another best drone for action sports. You can use this drone for multiple reasons. FPV, or first-person view drones, combine a headset that floats a stay move from the drone's camera in the front of your eyes, making it experience a little bit like you are flying. We had the most amusing we have ever had flying a drone even within the headset of the DJI FPV Drone. We discovered an extra intuitive manner to fly due to the fact you could see that you are almost flying right into a tree rather than guessing from numerous hundred feet away. Traditionally, FPV headsets have required pretty little technical skill. DJI method calls for little or no and has the introduced bonus of a 4K camera and impediment sensing. However, it lacks our pinnacle picks, large sensor, and independent flight modes. This means that it does not offer an entire occurrence for humans centered on cinematography. Instead, you get the capacity to fly as much as a completely bananas pinnacle velocity of 87 mph. Note that the regulation says you want a spotter whenever you pull the FPV headset on due to the fact the person has to have the drone inside their sight at any time. So, this is all about this option. Now let's have a look at the next slot and see what we have at this position. Number 4. DJI Mini 2 Drone. Here we have another exceptional drone that you can easily use for any action sports. The DJI Mini 2 is one of the maximum primary and cheaper versions DJI provides and is a perfect newbie image drone. Though it lacks the sensor and camera exceptional and the variety of the Mavic Air 2 or Mavic 3, the Mini 2 weighs and charges a third as a lot, but nonetheless packs a 4K camera and keeps vital novice pleasant features. The drone can take off, land, and go back domestic with the rush of a button. It additionally has a positioning device that is sensible sufficient to maintain its area within the air, and its 31-minute battery existence is nearly so long as that of extra costly options. For a newbie who simply desires to begin taking pictures and videos, the Mini 2 is a bargain. The Mini 2 is a strong drone which can seize consistent video even in windy conditions. We did not observe drifting as we tooled it around an area and 5 mph winds. It is based on the identical GPS and GLONASS positioning device as different DJI drones. However, we've observed in different small drones, which includes the unique Mavic Mini, do now no longer have sufficient energy to combat the wind as efficiently as large drones. That tiny length is the Mini 2's exceptional feature, because the drone weighs 249 grams or almost 1/2 of a pound. You do not need to sign up the drone with the FAA earlier than flying it for your own use. It's just 5.5 inches lengthy and 3.2 inches wide, almost the identical length as its controller. So, this is all about these best drones for action sports. I'm sure you have liked all the shared options. Remember that all of these options are best, so you can choose any of these options depending on your preferences. Now, I'm going to end this video. We'll see you soon with another video. Till that, go like, share, and comment on this video. And also subscribe to the channel for further videos. And yes, if you want to check other details about these shared options, then you can check the links given in the description box.